Let's go see. Oh. Can you see the cars? You can watch the cars come right over there. But here, you can come watch the cars over here, bud. You can see them good. Procore. Oops. There they go. We're gonna, hey, there's some Kansas City Southern. I was reading about those go down to Mexico and pick up auto parts. Those were auto cars. Those were automobile transport cars. Those big tall silver ones. Those are, yeah, rat cars. So there's our sign. It says report problem or emergency 1-800-848-8715 crossing 440960N. Mount Hood Lumber. Let's see. Let's see. It's a long one. Oh, there's the engine.